Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where luxury meets imagination and every home tells a story of elegance, passion, and craftsmanship. Today, we invite you to step inside one of Georgia's most iconic estates, the legendary Chestnut Hall, a $46.8 million European-inspired English Tudor masterpiece located at 4665 Riverview Road in Sandy Springs. Nestled within more than 18 acres of lush greenery and wooded privacy, this property defines timeless grandeur and the ultimate expression of refined living. As the drone rises above the treetops, the breathtaking scale of this estate unfolds before your eyes. Rolling lawns stretch endlessly, framed by landscaped gardens and ancient trees that embrace the mansion with serene beauty. The elegant gates open to a long private driveway that gently winds toward the residence, where stone facades, steep gables, and handcrafted details showcase the finest example of English architecture in America. Every line, every texture, every shadow tells a story of artistry and heritage. Entering through 19th-century Parisian wrought iron doors, you are welcomed into a world of artistry and European refinement. The grand foyer glows with soft light reflecting off Venetian plaster walls, a French gilt bronze chandelier shimmering overhead, and Versailles patterned parquet flooring beneath your feet. Each element feels carefully curated, timeless, and authentic. This isn't simply a house. It's a private museum of European culture, crafted with passion and preserved with love. To your left, the library rises 19 feet high, its walls lined with custom-built bookcases and a sparkling baccarat crystal chandelier. The scent of aged wood and the warm tones of afternoon sunlight create a sense of old-world sophistication. Just beyond lies a private den and office, secluded, quiet, and perfect for moments of reflection or inspiration. Every corner of this estate has a sense of purpose, designed to complement both grandeur and comfort. Moving toward the heart of the home, the formal living room opens gracefully into a sun-filled solarium, separated by a double-sided gas fireplace that glows softly in the daylight. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame endless garden views, leading to the Grand Jerusalem stone terrace overlooking the lawn and the resort-style pool. Imagine evenings here, the golden light of sunset reflecting off the water, laughter echoing through the garden, and the peaceful stillness of nature surrounding you. The chef's kitchen is both functional and extraordinary, featuring luxury appliances, dual islands, handcrafted Liptus wood cabinetry, and a custom bronze vent hood that feels more like sculpture than hardware. Every detail speaks of perfection. A nearby balcony opens to sweeping views of the estate, while antique English monastery doors lead into the formal dining room, a space wrapped in velvet upholstered walls and accented with a Thermidor wine locker. At its center, a 19th-century Chippendale breakfront displays heirloom china, turning dinner into an experience of elegance and history. Beyond the living spaces, the owner's suite redefines luxury. Silk fabric walls shimmer under the light of a gilt bronze chandelier adorned with rock crystal and amethyst. The sitting area flows into a marble loggia that opens to a private balcony overlooking acres of manicured landscape. It's a scene straight from a European fairy tale. Inside, two grand walk-in closets offer endless space, while the spa-like bath features a radiant onyx tub with an 18-karat gold faucet, a touch of pure opulence, reminding you that every moment here is exceptional. Beneath the suite lies the main home office, offering identical views and a tranquil workspace infused with natural light. On the terrace level, a fully equipped gym unfolds across two expansive rooms, featuring professional-grade machines, mirrored walls, and its own full bath complete with both steam and dry saunas. It's the kind of private wellness space that transforms everyday living into a five-star retreat. Stepping outside again, the estate reveals its most captivating view, the shimmering swimming pool surrounded by Jerusalem stone terraces and lush gardens dotted with antique sculptures. Here, luxury meets tranquility. The air feels light, the landscape endless, and the sense of peace unmistakable. Whether hosting grand celebrations or quiet mornings by the pool, this outdoor paradise brings resort living home. As the camera ascends once more, Chestnut Hall stands as a testament to vision and craftsmanship, a rare union of architecture, art, and nature. From the imported antiques to the carefully curated European finishes, every inch of this property tells a story of devotion to excellence. It is a world apart, created for those who understand that true luxury isn't just about space, but about soul. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive journey through Chestnut Hall. You've been watching American Dream Mansions, where luxury lives, dreams rise, and every home becomes a masterpiece. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more spectacular properties from across the United States, homes that inspire the dreamer in us all.